Okay, so we're making some improvements on top of improvements. So this is a screwdriver drawer. We've removed all the excess screwdrivers, and we've gone for about a month just to make sure these are enough screwdrivers to do what we need to do. Whilst I've got a picture under here, it's hard to see if anything's missing. So, you know, in this case, you know, they're not quite going back to where they should. And it's a bit hard to tell if we've got a tool missing on the shelf. So what I'm hoping is with a bit of 3M spray we might be able to solve the issue. So the 3M spray is up here, and it's bloody awesome, this stuff. You got to give it a good shake to get it to work properly. But if you close the door and give it a spray like that, you really need to sort of concentrate it onto one surface. If you go too broad, it just doesn't seem to work. So we'll just let that sit, and we will see what happens. Now, after you've let the 3M magic spray settle in, you've just got to give it a clean. I've got a bit of overspray on the top one. So we'll just give that a good clean like that. You've got to do that, and that does it. And what you've got to do then is just carefully peel back the drawer. Just stand back, just be careful, stand back, and oh, look at that. That is what we call a dialed in drawer. So you take a screwdriver out and you can instantly see, hold on, there's a screwdriver missing, where's it gone? Then you go find it and you put it back. So we've got visual controls over if a tool's missing, and everything's dialed in and everyone knows where the tools should go. So that's what we call an improvement for the day. Booyah!